HONGKY has successfully completed the installation and handover of a slitting line for a customer in Belize, a country in the Americas. This marks a proud milestone in our mission to bring Vietnamese-made machinery, especially steel processing equipment, to international markets. Though fully designed and manufactured in Vietnam, the slitting line meets the toughest global standards for quality, safety, stability, and performance. Right after going live, the system ran smoothly and met the customer's production needs with precision. Its flexible settings allow for fast material handling, saving time, cutting labor costs, and optimizing production efficiency. The customer was impressed by the machining quality, the precision of each component, and the machine's ability to operate reliably in a high-demand industrial environment. Built-in safety features also ensure smooth, safe, and efficient operation. Even better, the customer expressed strong interest in continuing to work with HONGKY to further enhance automation, improve productivity, and raise product quality. This successful export to Belize, along with previous deliveries to other demanding markets, is clear proof of HONGKY's ability to design and manufacture world-class mechanical solutions. It's a strong statement of Vietnamese innovation and capability on the global stage. HONGKY, Vietnamese intelligence, made for the world.